Hi folks, welcome to my channel. I've got another tech update and an unboxing to show you. It's the 20th of July 2021 and this is my second tech update today. I'm just running them back to back, but they'll be separated a bit on my channel. But yeah, I bought two new pieces of equipment. I'm now filming this video from my old tripod, my old 290 Manfrotto tripod, lightweight tripod. It's very nice, and I've now got my brand new X Pro Manfrotto X Pro fluid head. So I don't know if you can see much there, but yeah, it's just very nice. I'll show you more about that. Well, you'll see more about that on the video, on the field test. But yeah, it's very nice and smooth. It's not jerky like my old head, my old tripod head. But now this is the next piece of equipment I bought. It is small, but it's very important as well, actually. And I'll just give you a look here. This is this new video mic. I've already given you a tech update of this. This is my Rode stereo video mic. Here it is here, actually. It's a beautiful little mic that's just taken my videoing up to the next level. But as you can see, it's only got a very small cable. But it's perfect broadcast quality sound. I'm pretty sure it's about as good as it gets. And it is very, very nice. And here it is on the website. This Video Mic Pro and this Rycot. I think that means it's like it's got suspension. How can you I wonder if I can show you that here. Yeah, it's kind of, see how it's suspended? That plastic sort of, so in the wind it kind of wobbles a bit on that suspension, even though I've got it attached, fixed on the top of my camera. I think that's what they mean by the Rycot. Someone could correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, it's got a few different settings there. It runs on a battery. Very nice, gives me very nice sound. And because of the dead kitten, I've got much better, because the microphone on my camera is very good, but I've just sort of got a homemade dead kitten for it. You can't really fix a professional dead kitten to it. So it's just terrible out in the wind. It's just awful. So yeah, I bought this thing and it's been very good. I'm very happy with it. It did take a little while to just get things right, as it always does, I guess. A little bit of troubleshooting, and I've pretty well figured it all out now. Very nice stereo microphone. And I forget what I paid for that, but you'll find that on the tech update. You'll see in on my playlists of tech updates. I've already done an update and an unboxing of this. And yet very nice. And there's a dead kitten there. I bought it on eBay. I gave them a plug too. I really like those people, the people who gave me the dead kitten and this microphone. Yeah, but the problem I'm finding is this microphone is so good, and some of the locations where I'm going to film my sunsets and full moons, there's just too much noise pollution from the background. There's too many people around, and it's giving me noise pollution. And some spots that I've got that are just perfect for sunsets, and also other things too, full moon spots, there's people walking past constantly, and they're too close to me, and the microphone even picks up their feet shuffling. It picks up everything. So, you know, you can sort of hear them shuffling on the concrete path as they walk past. Hear their feet scuffing on the concrete path. So yeah, I'm getting noise pollution. And I've decided where I film from usually, if I just had an extension cable, because like, yeah, as I said before, that this cable is very short. It's only designed to sit on top of my camera. But I was thinking if I just had an extension like 5 meters or more, I can put my microphone closer to the water. I can set my camera up and put my microphone closer to the water and get much nicer wave sounds. Because yeah, usually I'm like, oh, you know, I might be 5, 7, 10 meters away from the actual water, and the water can sound quite nice lapping up against the rocks or wherever I may be, on the pylons of a jetty for instance. And I do get a bit of that sound anyway, but I'm getting the noise pollution of people, especially on a busy day, walking past and talking. And so yeah, I thought if I can run my microphone down closer to the water, it's going to cut out all that people background noise pollution, and just give me more just the nature sound of the water lapping up against the rocks or the beach. So yeah, so I decided I need an extension cable, and I looked at Rode, and there's quite a bit to it too. Again, it's like every little detail, it can be, there's quite a lot of factors to consider. And I found this Rode, here it is here, this is the only extension cable, the only stereo extension cable with mini jacks they offer is 3 meters long, 10 feet long. And I guess, like, they're the experts, Rode are the experts, and from what I can gather, what I've found out is the longer the cable, the less perfect my sound's going to be. So that's why this is all Rode offers. I think they've got a top quality cable here. It's only about $24. You can get it for about $18 on eBay actually. And yeah, it's top quality, perfect, the best, basically, like everything about Rode. It's the best cable for my microphone, and they don't offer any cables any longer. So there's obviously a reason for that, them being the experts, and that's any cables any longer will get distortion. The sound won't be as good. So that's a real shame, because really the 3 meter cable is just not quite good enough for me, and it's not quite long enough. I wanted something longer, and I was thinking I could buy 2 of these cables and join them together. I suppose that's an option. And again, seeing as they are the best cable, more than likely, for the job, and designed for my microphone even. So I was considering that. Then I was thinking, it seems where the actual plug is, that's where distortion can happen. So maybe plugging 2 together, this is going to be a problem as well. So I went for a search for more stereo cables, because I decided I wanted at least 7 meters. 3 meters just isn't long enough. I was thinking maybe even 10 meters, but because I've realized now there's distortion in lengths of cable, I ended up going to this person, Cable Chick, which runs a very efficient service. They delivered in a couple of days, and they had a range of what seems to be top quality cables. This is what I bought, a 7.5 meter Avencore Crystal Series, 3.5 millimeter, that's the size of the jack, stereo audio cable. And it was only $24 as well, for more than double the length. Only $24, and it seems it's about as good as they get. So I will be testing that. I guess I could deal with a slight drop in sound if I can get rid of all my background noise pollution from the people when I'm filming. Maybe a slight drop in sound could be okay to get that nice wave sound on the beach. So yeah, this is what I bought, and again I bought this the same as my Manfrotto X Pro head. I bought this more than a week ago, but I just didn't have time to give you an update and an unboxing. But yeah, there's some of the info about it. Yep, and there's a lots of cables. There's all different types of cables. I need a stereo cable for one thing. So yeah, and this cable chick offers quite a few different lengths. They've got a 10-meter cable there. I was very tempted to get that one, but I went for the 7.5, which hopefully should be fine. It should be perfect for what I want to do. And hopefully it's good enough quality. And again, at the end of this video, I'll give you a field test. We'll just see how well it works. Oh, and also the other advantage is my breathing. Because I try so hard for you not to hear me gasping for breath with my COPD, my chronic obstructive lung disease. So if I could move the mic away from the camera, you're not going to hear me. So that's got to be an advantage too. And yeah, the road, it's just not long enough for what I want to do. It's only 3 meters of length. You won't hear me gasping for breath, but it just doesn't get far enough away from my camera. And it's still going to get that noise pollution from the people walking past. So that's what I've done. I've got this 7-meter cable. And here it is here. They delivered it very quickly, express post. And I shall open it up and give you a look at it. And again, this should really, with this new mic, okay, with this new mic, this cable as well, and my new tripod head to give me nice smooth panning and tilting, it's going to take me up another few levels again with the quality of videos I'm making for you. That's what I'm hoping for. And this was only $24, so it's not much money spent. And if it's not good enough, I can try the Rode. I'll buy the Rode 3-meter, and maybe I'll buy 2. I'll just see how it goes, because they will be the best. These will be the best stereo cables, stereo extension cables. But, you know, you never know. This might be just as good or not far behind. So we shall see, won't we? We shall see how good this is. Because, yeah, I really want that length. This length could be very nice. I was thinking even if I film on a jetty, I could possibly, like, I'll use a rope as well because I don't want to lose my microphone, but I could possibly dangle it over the jetty and put the microphone closer to the pylons and just get that nice wave sound on the pylons instead of the noise of all the people walking on the jetty and fishing and talking. And so yeah, but yeah, I haven't filmed on a jetty for a while, but lately I'm filming on beaches with beautiful views and very close to paths where a lot of people can be walking by. So if I can just get this cable down closer to the water, I could really improve my sound quality. And sound quality is very important, of course. Anyway, I'll just turn this off and readjust my camera, and I'll open this up and give you a bit more of a look at it. Okay, there it is. I'll give you a better look at it now. And I just realised I can give you a bit of a sound check. Well, this is for my benefit too. I can do a sound check right here and now. So that's going to be interesting. Now, what should I do? Well, that looks like... Oh, that's cool. That's a nice packet. I can open it. I can keep this cable stored in this packet. It's got one of those quick seals on it. So that's nice. And so here we go. Feels... First thing I notice, it feels very soft. It's very soft. Very soft plastic. I hope this does the job I want it to do. But actually right here, right now is going to be a very good test for it. A very good sound test. So, just for the record, testing. I'm running the microphone on my camera right now. And it's quite good. It's quite a good microphone. But here is, this is better. It is amazingly good actually, I think, the microphone on my camera. But this is the best. This is my stereo video mic Pro. Well, this is about as good as it can get for a camcorder. With the extension, normally I'll plug it into the top of the camera, but I shall just plug it into this cable. Well, I'll do both. Right now I shall plug this in on the camera, and so you can hear what it sounds like just attached to the camera, and then I'll plug it into the cable. Okay, so testing 1 2 3 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Now I'll plug in the Rode mic. That was the camera mic, now we're plugging in the Rode mic. Okay, that's the Rode mic. I think I've got that right. That's the Rode mic attached to the top of the camera. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. And I've got it on the setting that I like the best. So we'll just see how that goes. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. It's on the other side of it then. Here I am where on this side. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay. So now we shall attach the cable and see how much difference there is. Okay, so I've still got it on the camera. Hope you can hear me. And I've just run it through the cable. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this is the sound test running through the cable. This is my Rode stereo video mic attached to the top of my camera, but running through 7.5 meters of this new cable. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Yeah, hope that's okay. I'll just give you a look at that just so you can see. I'll take it off the camera. I've just taken the mic off the camera and there it is. The mic. So now I've got a mic that I can just run off. I've got 7 meters of play here. See, I've got the mic attached to that. And the other end's attached to my camera. So I can run that off 7 meters. That's going to be very nice. If the sound's okay. I'm hoping there's going to be very little change, but this video test will prove for sure. Well, I'll just walk away a bit actually, and just, you know, I can use it as a handheld mic even. I could interview people or whatever with a handheld mic. Testing, testing. I've got it right in my mouth now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the mic's about a metre away from my mouth. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that should be very nice. Hopefully. Yeah, it all depends on this cable quality, whether it's going to do what I want it to do. Because yeah, 7 metres is a bit of length. But yeah, I could even just use this mic for interviews or anything now. I can walk away from the camera and still get close-up sound. Or, you know, what I want to do, put it closer to the beach. Move this microphone away from the camera, closer to the beach to get those nice wave sounds and no sounds of all the people walking by. And you can even hear them shuffling their feet on the concrete. It's just quite amazing how well this mic works. Okay, well that's the in-home test, and I'll give you a field test as well. Hopefully that'll be coming in a few more days. I'll give you a field test and I'll tack it onto this video. And let's just see. And this should be, this is going to take me up to a higher level again, hopefully. And if it's no good, that's okay. It's only $24 for this cable. I will buy that Rode extension cable instead. That should be perfect, the Rode at least. The 3-metre cable. And even with that, I'm very tempted. I want to buy 2. So I'll just try that if this doesn't work. So again, if I buy 2, it's only $50. It's not too much to pay to achieve what I want. Bring my sound quality up to the next level. Okay, well that's it folks. That's the end of this update for now, and I'll give you the field test. Hopefully in a few days, and maybe in a week or 2, this will be on YouTube. Thanks for watching my friends. Hope you found that interesting. And bye for now. I'll see you on the field with the magic of camera in 1 second. Hi folks. It is the 24th of July and it's going to be a full moon very soon. Full moon rising over the water in about, roughly 10 minutes I think. Very soon. And this time we are at beautiful Scarborough Beach. This is a really nice spot. I'll just give you a bit of a look. And I'm happy to tell you, I've got some new cam equipment. Yeah, and this is a very beautiful little spot. It's been a great day today, although a little cold. There's been westerly winds, so we're protected here. We're on the east side of the Red Cliff Peninsula. So we're protected from those cold westerly winds, and it's helped make the water glass out. The water's quite lovely and smooth here today. Oh look, and here it comes. Here comes the moon, folks. So I can show you. Here at beautiful Scarborough Beach. Scarborough Beach on the Red Cliff Peninsula in Queensland, Australia. So I hope you enjoy the show, my friends. At the moment I've got my good Rode stereo mic sitting on top of my camera, but sometimes in public places like this people can get a bit too close to me and they add the wrong kind of noise pollution that I don't want. So I bought this thing. I'm doing a review on it. I've got 7.5 meters of stereo extension cable here, and with this I can move my microphone. Look, here comes some noise pollution now actually. I can move my microphone away from my camera and put it down closer to the water down here and just get the nice wave sounds instead of my breathing and people talking and the feet scuffing and all that sort of thing. So yeah, I'll just give it a sound test. We'll see how it works out. I did a sound test at home and it wasn't too bad. So we'll just see how it goes today out here on the field. So yeah, I'll unplug this mic now. I think maybe the mic on the cam will be working now. And I'll plug this thing in. Yeah, and you won't hear my heavy breathing now, because it's really hard for me to mask my breathing. I'm sort of always gasping for air. So I can move this mic to a better position, closer to the water. So here we go, I'll plug the mic in now with the lead. This is the 7 meter lead now. That's the 7 meter lead plugged in. Hopefully that's all working. Yeah, now I can take this mic off, take it off my camera. Here it is here now, I've taken it off. A good Rode stereo mic. And I'll stick it down there, I think, because there's sort of a nice bit of wave sound going on down there. Doesn't have to be too far from my camera, but I've got a nice long lead now, so I can go 7 meters away if I want to. So yeah, let's just see how this works. And hopefully now, yeah, if people come out here, sometimes people don't realise I'm filming. They think I'm photographing and they want to talk to me, stuff like that, so they add noise pollution to my videos. Well, now I can move this mic away and the noise pollution won't be as bad, hopefully. I can get closer to the water, get this mic closer to the water and just get more natural sounds. So yeah, let's just see how it goes, huh? Just down around here should do, I think, this time around. Or will I go further? Yeah, maybe I'll even go a little further. But the tide is coming up, so I'm going to have to watch that. I don't want my mic getting wet. But anyway, I'll just leave it there. Hopefully that'll be just fine. Okay. Let's see how that goes, huh?